In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail username. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Android phone, navigate to your settings here. In this case, I'm going to tap on the settings icon. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate Google and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on manage your Google account. This will land you on an interface like this. Then you can continue to tap on personal info. Then under your personal info, scroll down a bit until you locate your name. Then you can proceed to tap on it. Allow it a moment to finish loading. Then on this interface, you can proceed to edit your name by tapping on the edit icon beside your name. Then you have the option to edit your first name and your surname. So if you are done with everything, you can proceed to tap on save, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Gmail username in your Android phone. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.